Hey guys, it's James from sportsdatamarket.io coming at you with a sports data analysis. In today's video, we're going to be analyzing Aaron Rodgers' passing yards over the course of his career. So we're going to see which seasons stood out, any trends that we see regarding passing yards over the course of his career. We're going to be using two endpoints, the NFL player by ID endpoint, as well as the NFL player statistics by ID endpoint, which are part of our NFL API at Sports Data Market. And so without further ado, let's hop over to Visual Studio Code. We have the script pre-written, but as always, we're going to go over the script for understanding. We're using two libraries, the request library for making HTTP requests, as well as matplotlib for plotting our graph of his passing yards. Going into the logic of the script, we're going to call the NFL player ID list endpoint, which returns to us a list of NFL players and their names along with their associated player IDs. We're going to index that JSON to get a list of the NFL players. We're going to title that variable NFL player list. Looping over that list, we're going to have a condition where we check if the player's name is equal to Aaron Rodgers. We're going to assign Aaron Rodgers' player ID. Using that player ID, we're going to call the NFL player statistics by ID endpoint, plugging in Aaron Rodgers' player ID. This will return to us JSON containing his regular season statistics. Looping over his regular season statistics, we're going to make use of a map and map each season to the amount of passing yards that he had in that respective season. Lines 18 through 22, we're going to plug in that dictionary. We're going to make the colors of the bar colors in the graph green. I'll label the x-axis year and the y-axis passing yards. And the title of the graph will be Aaron Rodgers passing yards by NFL season. And then on line 22, we'll show this graph. So let's run this script and let's see the visualization of Aaron Rodgers' passing yards over the course of his career. So I'll expand this graph out. And this is the graph of his passing yards over the course of his career. We can see the first 3 years of his career, he played behind Brett Favre. And then he had many seasons where he broke 4,000 passing yards. We can see 2023, he didn't have very many snaps after the Achilles injury, but he came back with a pretty good season in terms of passing yards. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys had a great time watching this video and saw some of the cool things you can do with our API at sportsdatamarket.io. Feel free to come over and make an account. Thanks once again for watching, guys. Till next time, James.